Example number 3, matching an exponential equation with its corresponding graph. So the question is, which exponential function matches each graph below? Provide reasoning. So I'm going to start off with this, the I. Y equals 3 times 0.2 to the power of x. Now we're noticing that the base is between 0 and 1, so it is decreasing. Okay, it's getting littler. Okay, and the y-intercept is 0, 3 because we have a stretch factor of 3. So that means we have graph C. Because it too is decreasing and it has the y-intercept at 3. What about graph 2? Y equals 4 times 3 to the power of x. So we have increasing because the base is 3, which is greater than 1. And we know that the y-intercept is going to be at 0, 4 because the stretch factor is 4. So I know that it's increasing and it has a y-intercept at 4. I do believe that we have graph B. Now you can always just graph these functions and then compare from your calculator to what's on the screen. But I just want us, you're welcome to go back and check later. I just want us to use what we know about exponential graphs to be able to provide our reasoning. Otherwise, if you just say, "Oh, because the graphing calculator said so," that's not going to be adequate. So we have this one and this one. Let's look at 3. I. Y equals 4 times 0.5 to the power of x. We know it's decreasing because the base is between 0 and 1. And we know the y-intercept is 0, 4. So we have, I think, graph D. Here we have a decreasing function. It's getting smaller. Okay, and we have a y-intercept at 4. Boop, boop. And last but not least, one of them, we could just say, we know that number 4 is A because it's the last one, but let's just analyze it. So IV, y equals 2 times 4 to the x. We know that it's increasing because the base is between 0 and 1. And we know the y-intercept is at 0, 2 because the stretch factor is 2. So that means that we have graph A. Because when we look at it, we know it's increasing, and look at that, y-intercept at 2. Boop, boop. So the questions that I want you guys to do for homework tonight are going to be on page 449. And I want you to do 5 to 8, 10, 13, and 17.